Oh yeah, this one is heavy and big. Come on, come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go to our beautiful rock. Woo. Beautiful. It's been raining lately. A lot of rain. But still beautiful though. Still beautiful day. Look at that. Can I go through here? Let me see. Hey. Wow. It is possible to walk. Yes, it is possible. Okay. Jumping like a monkey on this rock. Definitely, it's so beautiful over here. Man, I wish I can have a house nearby this area so we can come fishing more often. Woo! That was a big wave. Big wave coming. Oh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back for another episode of fishing over here. It's a beautiful day today. Hopefully today we're gonna catch a lot of big fish and nice fish, fresh fish. When I was driving on the way here to my fishing spot, I was thinking about how long would it take me to get to a 100,000 subscriber. That can be a long way to go, right guys? But with your help, I think we can make it. If you like my video, I think we can make it. I don't know, but for now, you just gotta enjoy the fishing day by day, okay? When it happens, it will happen eventually. If not, don't worry about it, okay? It means to be. So the same thing today, we're gonna use a shrimp for bait and 6-ounce weight. The water today is so beautiful that we don't have to worry about any crazy wave or wind, which is perfect for me go fishing. When you guys ask me what is my secret to catch so many fish, so basically it's the gear that we use. So I switched the gear. In the past I was using the wrong gear, so it won't allow me to cast far, and now I have a long casting gear which includes the rod, the reel, and also the line. All important, everything got to be together. And I found the perfect match for myself too, because everybody's different, right? My strength is different compared to your strength. So the gear that I use may not be useful for you as well. You gotta give it a try. You gotta try it on your own. Basically, my suggestion is, if you like fishing, definitely you learn every day that you go fishing. The more you fish, the more you know. Alright folks, let's go for our first cast. See this size number 6 single and a piece of shrimp right here. Yummy and juicy. Let's get our first fish of the day. Woo. Beautiful. Oh yeah. That guy went fall. Beautiful. Man, what a beautiful place to fish. The fresh of the water. And on the sunrise too. Wow. See? Beautiful. You have a fish over here? No, not yet. You see this guy? So many fishing lines over here. This means a lot of fishermen comes over here. But today, nobody yet, just me. Okay guys, we got a fish. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. It's a nice one, guys. Okay, our first fish of the day. Oh yeah, baby, come on. Nice fish, guys. A nice one. Woo. What is this? It's a rockfish. Yeah, it feels like a rockfish. Okay, not a monster, but it's a nice rockfish. Okay, you see? Always keep rearing, okay? Never stop rearing. Make sure bring the fish on top of the water. Always be fishing on the rock, guys. Never let the fish go down to the bottom of the water. Otherwise, you'll lose the fish. Almost a guarantee. Where are you, fish? Can't see you yet. Oh yeah, I see it on top of the water. It's our nice rockfish, guys. See? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful water. Woo. Don't lose it. Oh, nice black and yellow. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful black and yellow. Nice black and yellows over here, guys, okay? Beautiful. Got hooked perfectly, okay? This guy not gonna go anywhere. Okay, I don't know. 1 second, okay? This kelp. Okay, scalp. I don't like that. It's not on the bottom yet. It's on top of the kelp. Now it's better. Now it's down to the bottom, okay? Now once in the bottom, so I just let it sit for a little bit. I want to make sure that it's not snagged, not tangled in any rock yet. So remember when they have fish, yank it, right? Okay, we just have to wait for a little bit now. Ooh, that's still fishy. There was a fish? Maybe. Come on. I normally wait 10 to 15 seconds, okay? So in case I don't see any bite, then I kind of move the bait a little bit, just a little bit, just leave it up, boom, down, up, boom, that's it, okay? Just a little finger movement, just like that, just like that. You don't want the bait to be moving around the bottom at that point, because the main reason you don't want to do that is because you don't want it to be just snapped with the rock. Beautiful. Oh, a nice one, guys. Oh yeah. This is our second fish, guys. This is a nice one. Holy, he just tried like that. That's a second fish, dude. I told you, this is the way they do, okay? As I said, okay? Alright. Man, it is gonna be a linker or what? It feels heavy. Oh yeah, it's a nice rockfish, guys. It's a nice one. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. It is on top of the waters already. When it's on top of the water means rockfish. And it's a black and yellow. My favorite fish to eat. Come on. Show yourself. I know you're big. You are big. I know you are. You are big. You are big and nice and juicy. Come on. You see guys on the bottom? Be careful with the weight, okay? This is a big one. This is a big fish. Oh yeah. Be careful with the line. Oh yeah. What a monster. This is the biggest one ever. This is my PB black and yellow one. This is so big. Wow. This is a huge one, guys. Oh. Bro, look at that beautiful fish. This is our second fish, guys. Coming through, dude. With that, another subscriber, right? So get closer to 100,000 subscribers. This is a long distance casting, guys, okay? You know when you are good, okay? If you want to cast the exact same spot and with a long distance casting too, I mean, good to go. You ready to fish? Come on. Let's land our third fish, okay? Waiting for it. Always the same technique, okay? When it's down to the bottom, just have to wait. It's coming. I feel that the fish is coming very soon, okay? Come on. A nice one, guys. A nice one. A nice one. Telling you, fish number 3. Oh, yeah. Another black and yellow. It feels like nice one. This one feels a little bit smaller compared to the last one. The last one was insane. Come on, GoPro. You gotta be recording, GoPro. Okay, here's recording. Alright. This is the best feeling of any fisherman, okay? Let me tell you, this is the best feeling of any fisherman. Fighting with a fish. That's the ultimate goal. Come on, come on. Oh yeah. Oh. The good thing about fishing on the high level is, you know, make it so much easier. But not too high and not too low. Oh. What is that? That's a monster kept grinning. Okay, I cannot see it yet. Come on. Holy monster kept grinning. This is a monster kept grinning, guys. Look at how big is this guy. Oh. This is a monster kept grinning. This is my PB, bro. Holy moly. This is bigger than the rockfish, dude. Look at how big is this guy. Come on. Oh. This is like a 2-pound kept grinning. 2 or 3 pounds. Big one. Wow. Guys, just check this guy, dude. This is so big and heavy. This is the biggest one ever. This is my PB, bro. Man. Let's take a look at this guy. I don't know. Look at that, guys. This kelp grinning is beautiful and big. Okay. Let me just measure this guy, okay? My PB is definitely 19 inches. I don't think this is a 19 inches, okay? Let me check this out. What number is that? 17 inches? 17 inches kelp grinning, bro. Wow. Beautiful. It's not my PB, okay, but at least a nice one. Now, if you're new at fishing on the rock, there's a lot of kelp on the bottom, okay? So when the kelp is moving around your line, you may feel like, oh, I have a fish, and then you yank it. No, there's nothing there. So you have to distinguish the difference between a fish bite and a kelp. Simple. When a fish bite is boom, make your line move like that way, okay? when it just help, the line tends to move just sideways. Boom, 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 boom. Easy. Easy to say, but you need to have a little bit of experience with that, okay? Of course, this is only for new people, right? If you're expert fishing, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I have nibble over there, okay? So when this is a nibble, it's not a big fish, okay? You don't have to be happy about that. When it's a big rockfish or a big carby, they don't play with you, okay? They don't play around. They just swallow it at once. Okay? They don't go and nibble the bait, nothing, okay? So when it's nibble, most likely it's just like a perch or a little blue or a little black trying to steal the bait. That's all. So just ignore it. Sometimes you just ignore it, okay? When it's nibble, just ignore it. Just let it go. But the bad thing is they will steal they will steal the bait from you, and then you're not gonna have a bait on the bottom. So you have to bring it back and then rebait it again. So now just let it go. I got a nice fish over here, guys. Nice fish over here. Nice. A nice one. A heavy one. Oh yeah. Oh, this one is heavy and big. Oh yeah. This one is heavy and big. Come on. Come on. See the line? It's got a carby over there. You feel like a carby, okay? You feel like a good size carby. Come on. Come on. Okay. I want to take this moment, so quiero mandar un saludo a mi ex compañero de San Francisco, del colegio de San Pancho. Saludo hacia Honduras, okay? Desde San Francisco. Okay, let's go back, man. Dude, I totally forgot that today's my birthday. I totally forgot that today's my birthday, and I got this monster right here. Okay. Okay, now how am I gonna do it? Should I get down to get it? I think I should get down, right? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it this way, okay? Let's just get down, okay? Woo! This is a nice fish, okay? And I do not want to let it go. Oh yeah. It's a nice one, it's a nice one, it's a nice one. Remember guys, high line, okay? Totally forgot today's my birthday. That's why. That's why I got all these nice fish, okay? It's being sent to me from above. My angel. Okay, I think it's safe over here. Can you see it, guys? Okay, let's see. The water is so beautiful. And what kind of rockfish is that? Is that a cap greening? It feels like a carby. Okay. And I leave it up. This is a monster carby, bro. This is a monster carby. That's why. That's why. Look at that guy. Look at. Oh. Oh. Lord, this is a monster carby. Bro, this guy is insane big. Look at. I don't know what is it, but this guy has a lot of things in the stomach. And he's already full. Look at this fish. Can you see it? Beautiful! Happy birthday to me! Woo! Nice! Oh my god. What a nice carby, guys. This is the monster fish. Okay. Okay, I can see you. Now I'm here. Back to when I was fishing. He's enjoying the water right there. This guy is like 20 inches. Oh, look at that, how pretty this guy. Look at the color of this guy. Fish. Alright. This is our fish number 5, guys. Oh yeah. Maybe it feels like a blue rockfish. It does not feel big. It doesn't feel big. It doesn't feel big. Oh no. No, 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 no. This is another rockfish, guy. Oh yeah. What a day of fishing, bro. We just got here not long ago. Keep coming. Keep coming. Nice, bro. Nice. Woo. What a beautiful day of fishing. Look at those beauty of fish. They are all monster. Nice. Look at that, guys, okay? We're gonna make this fish, fillet it, okay? Chinese style is gonna be stir fry. So the same thing, okay? Let's cut this thing off first. This is all clean, guys. You see that? Can you see it here? Is it good? And what about the fillet? This is right here. Big chunky one, and second chunky. Beautiful, just for a dinner, okay? Look at how beautiful is the meat. This is gonna be our first time trying this way, guys. So we have here sugar, oil, salt, and pepper. Ginger. Marinate that guy for a little bit, maybe for 10-15 minutes. Everything is ready, guys, okay? The fish is ready. We have mushroom, scallion, ginger, celery, and onion. Good to go, guys. This is only dishes that we need to do, okay? First time doing this, I hope it's gonna be enough good. We're gonna add some ginger. Onion. Garlic. This is garlic, okay? Oh yeah, that's good, huh? Now we got our fish. Very good. Voy a hacer ahí la piel, and look for a little bit more oil. Ahora tanto que uno sabe. It won't hurt. Melting good. Let me just try this piece of fish. Oh, good, mami. Está super rico. Okay. Now, bring it down first. So bring it down for 50. beautiful. What I mean, I'm a cook. I feel like. Okay, then. It is easier. First, now that we have the garlic. This will take a little bit longer to cook as well. You have some water there? We're gonna reappear out. Sugar. Now we add the fish. Cornstarch. Cornstarch. Oh yeah. Guys, I think this is what I'm talking about. Okay? I don't need to add those parts. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Look at that, yeah? This is how we do it, guys. Okay, that's it. Now, moment or two, okay? Give it a try. The fish first. That's number one, guys. Alina, you're so good. Yeah. Look at guys, okay? Look at this piece of cardamom. You just got it done. Number one. This is good, guys. This is very good. Unbelievable good. I'm not joking. Awesome. What a blessing day of fishing, guys. This is nice, guys. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Okay, so remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and make comment. Okay, make sure you like the videos as well. Until next time, guys. Okay, peace and thank you for watching. Okay, be well and take care, guys. Okay, I got a fish on. I'm gonna bring this fish out. Until next video.